Now it's just a little bit too, how do I say, yellow. So a couple things I'll do is I'm going to take a little bit of, first I want to start with the elf green, a little of that, and I'm just going to kind of brush this area here and a little bit kind of in the nostrils.
Don't make him sneeze.
A little in the mouth.
His flowers will
Like
blow
that.
off.
And then I'll go back to the orange and I'll just kind of brush the hat here and there with the orange just to give it a couple different colors. And I'll also use the orange to do a little bit of blush. Why not?
Why not?
He's shy. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna do just a little bit on the board here because it's fun. These little things right here. Do y'all know what this is? Y'all seen this and go, it doesn't really look like Easter grass. That's what it is, edible Easter grass. Not a clue? Okay, so you can get this at most stores now because it's for Easter. So what you need to do is buy a whole bunch of it and stock up. It comes in all different colors, but I could use this stuff all year long, and it's just like a rice paper, so you know it'll keep, no problem. So to get these little stud things here, I've used rice cereal treats, and you just want to kind of scrunch them down.
Can we see the actual scrunching?
I'm scrunching.
There we go.
I'm a scrunching. Then I take something in the top, like something pointed like this, and just rotate a little opening. Then I'm going to just grab a bunch of this. Okay, and I'll just cut like all of this at once. And then scrunch it together and kind of twist it a little, because all of the strands right now are going in a circle. So if you kind of put some back to back, then some will go this way, some will go that way. And then I'm going to place this basically in that opening and then squish a little more. And then you can kind of open that up a little.
And this is edible Easter grass?
Yeah.
Is that what this is called?
Yeah.
Wow. Edible Easter grass.
Tastes like apple. Must be sour apple flavor or something. Or something. So we'll put a couple of these down. That one's taller. We'll put that one. Actually, I'll put this lower one next to that. One over here. One back here. And that should be good. That's really cool, though. I think that's one of the coolest things ever.
Neat.
Huh? Isn't it neat?
Neat.
Okay. Then we can take some green buttercream. And we're going to cover up like the bases of that and stuff.
Okay.
And some questions?
Quick question, yes. On the package of this edible green grass, does it say edible on the package? Do we know?
Yeah, it does. It's definitely edible.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not eating paper.
Yeah. Okay.
Is that what they're thinking? I'm eating paper?
No. They're just wondering if they're going to go look for it in the store. Are they
Yeah,
looking for
it's where
edible?
the Easter candy and stuff. I know last year I got it at Target. And it was where all the Easter candy and stuff is. Like I said, it's the only time of year you can get it, though. So
stock up.
That's right. I've used it before on some of the other cakes in the library. I think I used it on the dinosaur cake.
Sure.
Which this could be a dinosaur, too, the same setup.
Oh,
here.
absolutely.
A big dinosaur. Because those were just chocolate dinosaurs that I did.
Yeah.
Huh.
Very cool.
That would be cool. Nice. Sorry, I'm trying to be a little bit neater here because I want to put ribbon around the edge. Yeah.
Do you know if it has a shelf life?
I really don't know, but I think the only thing that would really happen is that maybe the flavor wouldn't be as intense, because this one is, I think, sour apple. I think the pink one that I have is cherry.
Okay.
So it's not like there's anything in it that's going to go bad that I know of. I mean,
do you think
I've had some for years and used it.
Yeah. And do you think this would normally be sold as Easter basket lining, that kind of stuff?
Yeah, edible Easter lining. So it's not where Easter lining is, because that stuff's not edible.
Right. It's more over in the Easter candy.
It's more where the candy is.
Gotcha.
More where the candy is, baby. More where the candy is. Okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and use a little bit, thought the blue would pick up the blue down there. Little ribbon here to finish this little puppy off.